I mean, Clay got 2 great looks off. I mean, we got to live with those. You know? He had so many good options. That's a good play call. Coach called some great plays. Steph had a great steal at the end. He created 2-on-1 for us. And we trust his decision making. So we move on, get better, learn from it, and try to win these.
The fact that they have, if it was a tie at the end of the season, they got the tiebreaker. Do you guys think about
season starts over when you're in the playoffs anyway, so it don't matter. You know, you don't have to get through these teams to get to where you want to go. Home on, you got to play well at home and on the road, so it really don't matter. We just want to be playing good basketball when it comes down to that point.
And Kevin, with just how rare it is for Steph's shot not to be falling and Clay's in the same game, like how did you and the guys try to just offset that?
We'll just keep playing. I mean, we know those guys can get hot at any point, and we know that we expect them to kind of push us over the top when we, make a run or we trying to cut into the lead. And they always come through for us when we need it. And some nights it's not going to happen. We just got to be patient and throughout the game and know that we're going to still look for them. But if they don't make shots and if we don't make shots, and it's just a part of the game, we just got to keep playing. And it's definitely rare to see those 2 missed shots, good looks, open looks tonight. But it's a long year. It's going to happen, and they know that too. So just move on.
All that said, how tough and hard is this Rockets team?
They're very tough. I really like this team. I really like their coach. Got a good home crowd. I think that the difference between them last year and this year, obviously everybody's going to say CP, but they're just playing harder. I feel like they're playing harder on the defensive side of the ball. I feel like they got versatile defenders. Capella's gotten better, so it's just more than just CP. They're doing a great job of just meshing together. I've seen it over the summer, seeing Trevor and CP and James and Bobby Brown and all those guys together all the time. You can see it on the floor now.